Honestly, it's quite tedious to convert SVG images to WinCC widgets. I know a way to do it quickly and efficiently. Welcome back. I'm sure you tried creating SVGHMI widgets as I have, and I bet it was really exhausting. Because it's one thing when you have a small file with a few gradients and elements, and it's quite another thing when you have an SVG image with 1,000 lines of code, a couple of dozens of gradients, styles and transform attributes. And you should fix it all. I went through the same thing and decided to create a small web application to do it automatically. It's called SVGHMI.pro. Let's see how it all works here. At its core, the interface is simple. You choose or drag an SVG image into this white field, upload it, then click Convert, that's it. Download zip archive with SVGHMI widget. You can immediately add it to WinCC and use it. Look, I will extract it straight to SVG controls folder in my test project. Open TIA portal and update widgets. Place it to the screen. And look, the widget turned out exactly like the original file. All the gradients, shadows and reflections are here. Let's try another graphics. I'll convert several SVG motors and pump. Choose Files, Upload, Convert, and Download. Extract it into SVG controls. Return to WinCC, update widgets. Great, new widgets is here, look. Let's place it to the screen. Good. Nice. Cool. As you can see, all these images converted to widgets without any problems. They have been converted in one batch. Look at another feature. By default, Converter adds the following interface properties: basic color and flip. Basic color will not work here because we didn't attach it to any element. I'm changing color, but it not apply to motor. This basic color interface property is added by default to any widget by Converter, because WinCC don't permit widgets without any interface property. In addition, the next property we see is the flip. This option is mirroring the widget. As for me, it's very useful option, because Siemens hasn't been implemented it in WinCC interface. Maybe they do it in the next TIA portal versions, who knows. Look, when I set this option, the widget changes its direction. In other words, it flips back. The rest of the motors that we have converted behave the same way. Let's return to SVGHMI.pro and examine the options. Here we have some options that can be used to customize conversion process. For example, the flip that we already know. If you don't need this interface in properties, just uncheck it. And then the code required for this function will not be added to SVGHMI file. Let's see how it fits together. And upload engine long again. Convert, download. Before replace file, I delete engine from screen and update widgets, cause of possible problems while replacing process. Now replace SVGHMI widget. Oh, WinCC has captured widget anyway and won't let us replace it. The most effective solution in this situation is to close the screen where the widget was and try again. You can even open it straight away, like I do. And replace engine file again. Great, our actions have helped. The nearby motor still has this functionality, but this one does not. Cool. Return to SVGHMI Pro. Another popular function is attach BG color to basic color interface property. As you may remember, every Siemens dynamic widget has an interface that allows you to change all or part of its color. It has the same sense here. But for correct operation, the SVG file must contain an element with the identifier BG color. Also, you can change this default name at its discretion. And as extra option, you can add multiple identifications. But we'll leave that for a deeper study of videos. So let's try and look how it's working on real image. Because everybody likes cats, I've prepared some pretty cat picture. I wanna make the color of his eyes changeable. I already know how to find his eyes in these files. It's at the very bottom. It's quite large file, because I want to show that this converter can work with real images, which are usually more complex than a couple of rectangles and circles. Look, the last two elements are the eyeballs. For sure, I'll change fill color of these elements, and you can see in preview, eyes are also change color. FFF, and next. Look, the eyeballs became white. Cancel these changes. All we need here is to assign for ID attribute a value. BG color, for example 1. And for second eye, BG color 2. Save file and convert it. Drag it into conversion field, upload, convert, and download. Extract it into SVG controls. Update widgets. Our cat has appeared. Let's try to change eyes color. And great, it's working. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.